Hadian ka jinglap jong kilat pathai khobo na po Ribhoi district ba komjuru da kaseng FKJGP North Kasil district. Halor ka jing bombit bambiang ba ka jing lengkrang jong ka skul JNV Ñiangbari hagani kitayo ke baladap hagani sngi ke baladap nakalyang deputy commissioner jong ka Ribhoi district u arpit upadaya ule thu ba urathong da ka jing Tohkit manlap ya ka jing le lengkrang jong ki bot punya jong ka ni ka skul. Habakrian bikila pathai khobo mata ka sngi DC oleh tu banadu kasngi balami khabar hakila patai khabar ka jingja jong ka skul nakalyang jong ulah hukum yaki engineer jong ka PhD ba kwedi kita tekam jong ka sarkar ba kin lei ban Tohkit ya ka ka skul banlap ya ka jing shisha halo ka jing mambiang khamtam jong ka umbap umdi bat ki wede ka jing kam nakalyang jong ulah hukum yaki bo bari pe ka marbam nakalyang jong ulah hukum ru yaki officer bari pe ka marbam begini page du ya kabam gadi jo khana skol hakatai ke skol
news item in which there were several issues that were highlighted from JNV, mostly regarding the hygiene issues of water and food. Immediately after that, we have sent the magistrate there, and magistrate has conducted inspection along with the officials from PHE department and with the food safety inspector also. So we have received the reports also regarding this thing. Today also we had a meeting with the PHE executive engineer from the office side and with the food safety inspector also. Tomorrow senior officials from the food safety department will also come, and we are looking at all the possibilities on how to take up forward, how to resolve these issues which are mostly regarding the health and sanitation issues. So realizing the importance of that, there has to be a conducive environment, and these are the basic necessities, and all the necessary steps will be taken to ensure that these issues which are being highlighted are taken care of, and that the students are able to we are able to provide students a good, hygienic, clean, safe drinking water, so that it is essentially very essential, very important, and we are taking up at the maximum possible level. So that has been done from our side so far.
Regarding the buildings and then the toilet facilities of the hostels, that also was very bad. So regarding the building and the this bathroom and also.
Yes. So regarding this infrastructure issues that are highlighted, the condition in the report, I have not received the report officially so far from the magistrate, but prima facie, as per the photographs and all, the condition has been reported, it is quite bad, and this kind of a condition cannot be tolerated at all. So like I have told you regarding other issues also, similarly here also, that these issues will be taken care of very seriously, and we are just waiting for 2-3 days. Within 2-3 days we will see some action once the reports are there and other departments are also in a position to give a report. We are waiting for mostly basically from the executive engineer of PHE Nongpur division, that what are the options in which we can provide water in a much better and safe manner. So once that is being contemplated from the PHE side, after that we will take up these issues. Regarding food and hygienic issues, that also has been already taken, and regarding infra, that will be taken up by the JNV headmaster and all, and it will be looked into as to what can be done and to ensure that there is a safe environment for the students there.
So sir, since the students are complaining also regarding the attendance of the principal, and many complaints have been lodged to him, but he never heard to them. But regarding that, as the chairman of this JNV school, so any action from the chairman level?
Yeah, this issue was also highlighted recently only. It was never reported to the administration, and we are looking into it. We will investigate who are the teachers against whom the complaint is, then whether that complaint is correct or not, whether there is a genuine issue in which the teachers are not coming. If that is the case, then very strict action will be taken against them. So the punctuality of teachers is very important, and if students of Meghalaya are there, and this is how, if it is happening, then it will wrong, and we will substantiate it, we will find it out, inquire about the matter, and after inquiry, whatever will be the findings, based on those findings, adequate action will be taken.